Taking a little break.
Getting out of muck boots and getting some real shoes on.
Tell them what you're doing.
I'm out here sawing three-phase in Pomeroy, Ohio for AEP. Pulling some hang, lots of dead trees out here. We're having some ash issues going out, but no climbers can get in those trees, so I'm here to take care of that for them. Keeping people safe, that's all that matters.
Gonna pick the signs up. Any brush that needs cleaned up, they'll clean it up. Move to the next location.
This is normal stuff. Usually the bottom blades are the only ones that touch the ground or anything, so we'll always swap the bottom blade out, move the second blade down, put a new blade to the second one, and we got brand new pretty slowly. Once we knock the teeth off, once we knock these teeth off to where they're gone or we don't have five and it's just stringing, we'll pull this blade off, put the second to the bottom up, and then put a new one there or move vice versa.
Gotcha.
However, sharp teeth.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Makes complete sense.
The bottom one will start stringing, and I can tell that it won't be cutting right. Put a new blade on it and right like butter. Did you go to the funeral?
No, I just went down for the viewing. Right here's, the old girl broke my heart down there.